How to install 3-light Isaiah pine wood drum chandelier. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Slip stem over the wires and then thread it into the top of fixture loop. Fix the upper wooden support and lower wooden support together with a round head screw. Attach quick links to the loops on wooden support and iron wire. Attach the quick link to connect the chain and the loop on the top end of loop assembly. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.